So we're at 18 Victoria Place in Workington. A 2-bedroom terrace with a loft room. It's at the head of a cul-de-sac now, so we've got a cut-off at the top of the street, and that's your view just looking down the street. On-street parking, and let's go in and take a look. So the house has been completely renovated after its last tenant. The landlord's done a lovely job on the house, renewed everything, redecorated everything, put in new kitchen and a few other items. And you walk into quite a large hallway, and this gives us access to the living room, which I'll show you in a second, but also this little dining room area, day room, multiple uses really. And that's got a window looking out to the front street. Our gas meters are in those boxes. Whole house is double glazed. Whole house is gas central heated with a boiler, only about 4 years old, so nice reliable boiler. That's our stairs leading to the first floor, and then we come into the living room. So the house has been recarpeted. Everything is straight, all the walls are immaculate. It's got a gas fire, as well as the radiator. We look out to the rear yard. There's some scaffolding there, just finishing off the final jobs on the house, and they will be gone very shortly. And we've got understairs storage in there. And then we have the newly fitted kitchen. So we've got units fitted at base and wall level, contrasting work surfaces over and extended onto the splashbacks. It's an electric cooker, stainless steel sink and drainer. We have space there and plumbing for a washing machine. And then over here, we've got space for a tall fridge freezer, electricity point being there. So nice and fresh. The units still have the plastic foil on them, so they'll be taken off when the new tenant moves in. So lovely addition and lovely feature of this house. I'll just show you out the side door into the rear yard, which is a spacious yard. Plenty of space here for storing bins and household items that you want to keep outside, so bikes and the like. And there you go, you can see a yard and a decent gate out to the rear lane. So we'll bring ourselves back in and let's take a look at the upstairs accommodation. So we make our way to the first floor, and this is where you'll find the bedrooms on this 2-bed property. This is the main bedroom, which has a window to the front elevation, easily big enough for a double bed, space for bedroom furniture, nice new carpets running through the whole house. And then we come down the hallway and we go into the second bedroom. So the second bedroom has got space here for a single bed. You could get a double bed in there. And then we have the access which takes us into the attic room, which I'll show you in a second. But before we do so, we'll just take a look at the bathroom. So it's a spacious bathroom. We've got a wash hand basin, WC. We have a bath. The gas boiler is in that meter cupboard, in that airing cupboard. And then we've also got a shower cubicle with electric shower. So that's your bathroom. So we'll go back into that second bedroom and we'll walk upstairs and I'll show you the attic room. So this has got variable uses, maybe a home office, maybe a playroom. And we've got quite a lot of space, nice fixed staircase, and it's nice and secure. So the balustrades all there, stopping anybody from being exposed to those stairs. And then what we've got is an eave-shaped room. There's plenty of head height, and usable space. Into the eaves, it's over 4 meters, so a lot of spare place to store items. And what this also has, and if I can show you, there is a panel here which lifts over and down, so that if you were using it as a playroom for children, it's completely safe, or if you just want to cap it off from bedroom 2. So that's 18 Victoria Place. Really nicely presented, ready for a new tenant. That's now available to view with hunters.